Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we had a really good ride in Kochi prefecture on the coast. You can see the Pacific Ocean right there. Thousands and thousands of kilometers until the next landmass. We're going to show you some of our highlights of the day. We did a really good ride. It's about 15 degrees on this March 8th of 2022. So keep watching. Thanks guys. Hi guys. Today we're riding in Kochi prefecture. We're riding on an old train trestle or an old train track. And we're about to come up to a tunnel, so we thought we'd show you the tunnel. So check this out as we go through it. How cool is that? They recently elevated the train tracks about 100 meters away. So this was left over, so they made a bike lane on it. It's really cool, it's really safe to ride on. Right, Reiko? Reiko, baby! We're gonna go through one more tunnel down here. It's a little modern one. And here's the long one. It's probably 200 meters long, but this tunnel was probably here as far back as World War II. And now it's just for us cyclists. How cool is that? Okay, that's the end of the tunnel. Down and done, done and done. See if we can get a shot of the ocean as we go by. Let me explain to you how we planned our ride for today. We drove a few hours south from our home in Takamatsu and decided to take a coastal route that followed small roads and some cycle paths down to a cave that we heard about that we have not yet been to. So this section was a closed off to cars cycling road, and that was really nice. In this next section, I'll post a picture of the map that we took so you can kind of see how we went down the coast. Okay, here's the map. We started in Kochi and went down the coast, and finally we got to this cave called Loki Cave. It's an interesting cave because only the mouth is still cave-like. As we got deeper into the cave, it opened up and you could see the sky. So this cave was formed by a waterfall and a bit of an underground river that is now open. Really, really nice, and we were almost the only people there, and we really, really enjoyed it. We got back on the roads, on cycle roads, back towards Kochi City. We took some more pictures along the beach. Then we decided to stop at this really cool one-sided drawbridge. So here's a picture of the drawbridge down. Looks pretty normal, but wow, look at that thing. That is crazy. And this is from the other side. This drawbridge is up for an hour and then down for an hour and then up for an hour and then down for an hour. Really cool. And we continue along. And we finished up with a great Indian curry lunch along the route. Thanks so much for watching again, guys. See you soon.